Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the battery, the key battery, in a Honda Insight. This model was and fob was used from 2010 to 2013. First thing you'll need to do is flip this over. You can see there's a small screw at the base. I like using a little precision screwdriver set because this is a really small screw. You can get this for about $4 on Amazon. So I've already kind of loosened this just to speed up things up for us, but you'll take this screw off. And then right at the lower base here on the left, there's a little notch at the side, right at the midline of the fob. You take your small flathead screwdriver and just insert it into that notch and twist. You'll start to get a little bit of leverage. And you can get this base to kind of pop up a little bit. And there's really nothing holding this base on anymore except for a lip at the top here. So you actually pull towards you, pull the key towards you a little bit, and you'll be able to easily remove this the shell of the fob. So all the internals of the key fob are in here, and so we can actually just pull this right out, and this will just come out really easily, and then we can set the shell of the fob aside. Okay, so this is the internals of the key fob here. We got to get this into two. So if you're oriented at the key like this, if we look at the upper right, again, there's another notch that we can get our flathead screwdriver in. So just go ahead and get the screwdriver in and give it a little twist, and then you'll be able to separate the components here into two pieces. You can see the battery here. Again, just take our flathead, just kind of get underneath there, and that'll pop right out, just like that. And the battery that you'll need to replace and get a new one is a CR2032 3-volt coin battery. You can see right there. So once you've got a new one of those, make sure that the lettering is away from you when you place it back in, and it'll just kind of pop back into place. There's not really any big overhang, so you can just kind of pop that back in. And then at this point, it's just reassembling everything that we kind of did from this point. This will kind of snap back together fairly easily. Just make sure that okay, wow. Usually this snaps pretty easy. Okay, there we are. So you can test, just make sure that the fob is working if they've got a light like that on yours, and then go ahead and grab the shell again, and then we can just put that back in, make sure the buttons are coming through, and then when you're putting the backing back on, like I mentioned, this lip at the top, if you get that lip kind of set first, then it makes it much easier to get the base down. And then from there, just go ahead and put that little baby screw back in, and you're it. That's it. You've changed the battery on the Honda Insight from 2010 to 2013.